I am Anna. I am 2-in-1 cheese sticks from Nike outfits and Kroger shopping carts. I am from the good old Lone Star State. Spicy, flat, rays stretched down for a warm big hug. Bluebonnets, dandelions, the easy breezy simplicity of nature letting go. I am from the midnight swims with bats and Grandpa's pancake parties. From Mary Ann and Jake. I'm from choosing which lane of the McDonald's drive-thru will get our fries faster, and the tired walks back to the car after the final buzzer. From an act of kindness is much more important than an A+, and just one more bite. I'm from Weedham Boys, the Cowboys, an excuse for steak on Sundays. I'm from many different places. Party beef on rye, and every dessert you could ever think of. I'm from Grandma's yearly takeoff of the Watertron 3000 that never ends with her afloat, and the unforgettable 16th birthday mooning of my big brother. I am my crazy, annoying, and loving family. I am all the places I've gone. I am fall down 7 times, get up 8. I am proud of who I am and who I've become. I am Anna.